Hello, welcome back to yet another edition of National. Congratulations on last week. Our free banker, our two direct, the first banker, 57. It played and played in position. We pray for good luck today. Today, National winning is here. So, guys, let's dive straight into this video. But before we go into this video, if you find value in this content, if this is the first time you're coming across this content, please subscribe. If you find value in this content, please like this video and comment for me. It goes a long way for me. It helps me post more video. Most importantly, I need 1,000 likes. I have something special for Sunday Aseda. Last week, I was not able to post Aseda on YouTube simply because I didn't get enough engagement. That is enough likes, enough comments, enough subscription on National. But people that do chat with me on WhatsApp has a free banker 40 dropped in position. So please help me find engagement so I can post that long plan on YouTube tomorrow for Sunday Aseda. Like the video for me, comment and subscribe. Let's go straight onto this. We are taking this one on midweek board, and like you know the culture of this channel, we don't hide the update, we don't hide the charts. The focus is to win and win together. Yeah, first time setting on midweek's board, on midweek, right there on midweek at event number 634, 90 to play in last ball machine. After 90 plays to last ball machine. 1, 2, 3 weeks down. Expect 42 to play in last ball winning. And on Nationals current in the year 2015, wrapping the year up, 90 played in position, last ball machine. 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 42 to play in position, and that is last ball winning. After this game play in last ball winning number 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks down, expect 48 in second ball machine. From 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks down, expect 48 in second ball machine. When 48 played second ball machine here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 48 should move from second ball machine to center ball machine 8 weeks after. From second ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is 7 here. 48 will move to position. Is 7 here too. From 48 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will move from position to position. And after I move from position to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down, 48 in position to position should turn. After moving down from position to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down, this number that move from position to position should turn, serve as one free banker. 90 in position. I started with playing 90. 90 in position. 90 should code to first ball winning. 90 in position to code to first ball winning. Play with 84. Proving too direct and played it live. Now, after playing these games to position, he said we should go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 76 will play center ball winning. And on national scoring from 2184, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down, 76 to play center ball winning. After 76 play center ball winning, double 3 will play in first ball winning. Now, after 21 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 76. After 76, 33 again to maintain position. Not just maintain position here, also played with two numbers in machine, 87, 56. When 33 played with two numbers in machine, 87 and 56 to machine. Now on this one, it said the 56 will repeat. This also said the 56 in machine to repeat to machine. Now after supplying us these games to machine, last week our banker here was 57, and that's nothing but 33 in position. 33 in position here supplied us 57. It said it should play and play to second ball winning. Now on the board here, after 33 played, 86, 56, 87, 56 in machine, 56 will repeat, 57 also maintain position. Now after 57 maintained position here, 57 is telling us this game in position double 3, that Malta to 57, this game should return. 57 in position, it should Malta back, play with double 5, double 3 and double 5, supplied by 57 in position. Now 76 in center ball winning before 33 should also counter down with it and supply us a 3 direct live today. That is 55, 33 and 31. With my displaying on the screen right now is my prediction for national. Take it or leave it. It is a winning prediction for national. 59 double 5 double 3 3 1 8 2. Now 57 supplied 33 and 33 and 55. At the same time, 76 in position. 76 in position. He said he should counter back and also supply us with 59 if it shadows. So this is a winning plan, and our 2 direct is dropping live today. So thank you for coming to watch this video. Please, if you find value in this content, like this video for me. Most importantly, I've not been feeling too fine. If you hear my voice is not that sharp, I just got discharged from the hospital yesterday, so maybe I will skip something, I didn't notice something. Please put it in the comment section for me. And most importantly, please like, share and subscribe. I wish us good luck.